Once in Infinite Campus, you're going to click on the Instruction tab and click on Campus Tools. As Campus Tools opens up, you're going to look on the upper left-hand side and click on SLDS. SLDS will then open up on the platform and you will look for the tab that says TKES/Leaks. Once you click on TKES/Leaks, it'll open up to your particular plan and you will click on the Teacher Keys Effectiveness System. This is your individual plan. At this point, you want to ensure that the orientation is already marked green. If not, you need to complete orientation. However, I've already checked that every staff member has their orientation done. Here's where you want to double check to make sure that your professional learning goal, your PSC professional learning goal, that is green. If it is not green, you will need to open up the goal, click on where it says learning goal or plan, and then you would click on new to create a new goal. Again, this is only if you do not have a goal embedded. As you can see here for Mr. Hodges' platform, when we had our meeting on the 4th, he went in on the 4th, he put the date of acknowledgement, and he put in the goal statement. If yours is empty, you need to open up the Google link that was attached and copy and paste from the PowerPoint. Again, there was a shortcut PowerPoint that was sent, and you will copy and paste this information onto your platform. You will note the standards that are used that are on the following slide, but you will have standards 1 through 4 and 7 through 10. And then you will click Save and Submit to make sure that your plan or your goal is green. At that point, you are going to also double check to make sure that your self-assessment is green, as his is, but we have to update the pre-evaluation conference. You will click on pre-evaluation and self-assessment. Make sure your self-assessment is green. You will click on the pre-evaluation conference, and you will already note that my comments are in there from the conference. So I've reviewed the learning goal, that is me, and I put in the date of the conference. You will see the notes that are assigned. Everybody has the same notes. And so this is what you do. You click on the teacher comments, you click edit. You will type in some sort of comment, something nice and friendly, or whatever is feeling on your heart. I'm going to pretend I'm Mr. Hodges, and I will write, "Thank you. Okay, you can put whatever you want, something nice, professional like that will work. You will go ahead and click Save and Submit because he is submitting that he is done with this pre-conference. Once that is done, you will notice that it is green, and everything from this point out should be green above for this category. The self-assessment and pre-evaluation section should be closed at this point because everything is green. And that is all. If you have any questions, just reach out to me and let me know.